Hi, in this video, we will know about the Edge Reports icon in the StockEdge app. You may have come across something called a research report, which is basically a report card of the performance of a listed company over a period of time. But research reports can be very complicated and not at all easy to understand. So we at StockEdge came up with our own version of analytical reports with a goal to make understanding reports easy. Each Edge report is prepared by StockEdge's in-house team of experienced analysts. Topics under Edge reports include stock case studies, con call analysis, infographics, IPO analysis, and much more. Case studies are similar to research reports, but have been created in a way that someone even new to fundamental analysis can easily comprehend the data used to analyze a company. Con call reports are summaries of the conference calls held by the management of a company. Only the most important and relevant information discussed in the con calls are presented here to save time for our users. Infographics are intuitive, visual representations of the latest happenings in the stock markets by using technical, fundamental, and derivative data. For example, we often publish an infographic on the top 5 stocks which are close to giving a breakout. This uses a combination of technical, derivative, and fundamental analysis. Lastly, you will find other useful reports pertaining to latest IPOs, sectoral reports, etc. For instance, an IPO report will contain a detailed analysis of the company and its prospects of having a successful IPO. So when you click on the Edge Reports icon, the first page that opens will contain a list of the latest reports prepared by our team. Under each report, you will be able to identify if it's a con call analysis, a case study, infographics, or an IPO analysis. Clicking on any report will open a new page where you can read a summary of the report. Under the summary, you will see the name of the stock associated with the report. Clicking on any stock will take you to the detailed info page of the company. With Edge Reports, we truly aim to help our users become independent research analysts and make confident and correct investment decisions. Thank you for watching.